Hi children, I hope you're all well. So we're going to do some maths today, and hopefully you've already watched our number blocks episode. If you haven't, then go and do that first. I have sent the link out, but if you can't find it, then it's the number blocks episode called number 9. So to start off, we've got a couple of things we're going to do just to warm our brains up, get our brains back thinking about our numbers of the week and our maths. So we're going to start by counting to 10 using our fingers. So are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Let's go backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Well done. We're going to do another activity now using our fingers and our counting with our fingers. So I'm going to show you a number card. And I want you to hold up the right amount of fingers to match that card. And I'm not going to tell you what the number is to start with, okay? To see if you can recognize the numeral of that number. So here we go. You hold up the right fingers to go with that number. That, of course, was the number 1. So you just need one finger. That was a nice, easy one to start with. Next one. What number is that? Well done if you said 4 and held up 4 fingers. Good work. Okay, next one. Which number is that? Well done if you said number 8 and showed 8 fingers. So you can have 8 as 5 and 3, or you could have 4 and 4. 8 fingers. Well done. Next one. That number is, well done if you said 5 and held up one hand, which makes 5 fingers. And the last one, this is our new number. What's our new number of the week this week? Well done if you said number 9 and are showing me 9 fingers. Now, if I just stop sharing very quickly, a really easy way to hold up 9 fingers and to know how to hold up 9 fingers just very, very quickly is we know that we've got 10 fingers. We know that we've got 10 fingers on our hands. So if we hold up 2 hands, we've got 10. 9 is 1 less than 10. So if we want to be quick at holding up 9 fingers, we put 10 up and then just put 1 down. And that makes 9. 1 less than 10 is 9. It's a really, really simple way of knowing how to hold up 9 fingers. Well done, everybody. Good. So hopefully you have watched our new number blocks episode. Where am I? There we go. And you will have seen that we had a new character join us called 9. And this is number 9 here. And he's in can you remember what shape he's in? What shape is he in? Well done if you said he's in a square shape. Our number block in school for number 9, we pile them all on top of each other. So he can be moved around, but he still makes 9. But in the episode today, he was a square shape, wasn't he? And this is the number 9. I wonder if you noticed anything about the number 9. Is there anything that you noticed about the episode or about this maybe the song that he said? Anything that you spotted or saw or heard? Lots of the song was about the fact that he's made of 3s. He's made of 3 3s. We've got 1, 2, 3. Or we could go this way, 1, 2, 3. 3 sets of 3 make 9. If we do 1 set of 3, 2 sets of 3, 3 sets of 3, that makes 9 altogether. And he also said he was in a square shape, just like what number? Just like number 4. Number 4 is made of 2 and 2, and number 9 is 3 by 3. So it's got 3 going this way, 3 going up that way. 3, 3, and 3. So I hope that you noticed that, so well done. Now the square number. Right, so now we're going to have a look at different representations of the number 9. Here are some different representations of the number 9. I hope that you can see that domino down there. Up there, I mean. So here's some different, just have a look at those. What do you notice? What can you see? Is there anything that you notice? Let's have a look at them a bit closely. So here we've got 2 dice, and they are making a total of 9. What's on this dice? How many? What is this dice showing us? Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. And what's this dice over here showing us? Well done if you said number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got a 4 and a 5. 4 and 5 makes 9. Can you say that with me? 4 and 5 makes 9. Well done, everybody. Let's have a look at the next one. This we've got a domino, and the total of the domino is 9. What's on each side of the domino? What's on this side? How many? Well done if you said 6. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on this side, we've got the number 3 being represented. So we've got 6 and 3. 6 and 3 makes 9. Can you say that with me? 6 and 3 makes 9. Well done, everybody. Next one. We've got our number block, and I've found a picture of him, just like the number block that we've got in our school. And one thing that you probably have noticed, maybe during tidy up time or something like that, is the different colours that number block have. So number block 9 is grey, that's why our background's grey today. But we've got different shades of the grey here. And how many of the light shaded grey are there? 1, 2, 3. How many of the medium shade are there? The one in the middle. 1, 2, 3. And how many of the darker grey shade are there? 1, 2, 3. So we've got 3 and 3 and 3 makes 9. 3 and 3 and 3 makes 9. Can you say that with me? 3 and 3 and 3 makes 9. Well done, everyone. And then we've got some numicon. Anything that you notice about this numicon? What can you spot? You might notice different things. So the first thing I noticed about the numicon is it's one of our uneven shapes. It's one of our odd numbers, isn't it? Because it hasn't got a anything up here. We've got a space, haven't we? Which makes it an odd number. We did talk about that before. And the other thing that I've noticed, again, is there's a 4 and a 5. I wonder if you spotted anything. Last one, we've got a number sentence now. This number sentence was in the clip. You want to say it with me? 8 add 1 equals 9. 8 add 1 equals 9. We could also say 8 and 1 makes 9. All means the same thing. Let's say it all together, everybody. Ready? 8 and 1 makes 9. And again, 8 and 1 makes 9. Well done, everybody. Good. So this is what you're going to be doing today. I want you to see if you can find 9 things in your house. Try and make them the same thing. So it might be, I've used buttons here. It might be cars, it might be pasta shapes. If you've got buttons or counters or anything like that, anything that you can move really easily, nothing too big. So I've got my buttons here. I'm going to carefully count them first to check that I've got 9. So that's your first job, is to carefully count. And remember, if we're counting carefully, we're going to point or move what we're counting, and we're only going to count the next number when our hand is on that next thing. So let's count together carefully. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I've got 9, and I did some careful counting there. Hopefully you managed to join in with me as well. And then I want you to put after you've counted them, I want you to put whatever you've got out in front of you. You can arrange it in any way you like. And then I want you to look at the way that you've arranged it. So if I'm looking carefully at mine, I'm going to think, what do I notice? I notice that on my top line, on my top row, I've got 5 buttons. And on my bottom row, I've got 4. So that must mean that 5 and 4 makes 9 altogether. Another thing that I noticed is that I've got 3 blue buttons, 2 purple buttons, 2 pink buttons, and 2 red buttons. So I've got a 3, I've got a 2, another 2, and another 2. All of that together makes 9. And if I wanted to, if I made this, oh, hang on. Sorry, let me share again. If I wanted to, I could move these around and I could put them into groups. So I could do a group here. I could move this one over here. And now I've got 2 different groups. I've got how many over here? I've got a 3. Oh, sorry, 3. And I've got a 6. So 3 and 6 makes 9. So that's what I want you to do. I want you to use whatever you've got, and I want you to arrange them in different ways to see if you can find the number pairs that make 9. And maybe you could record your answers. You could either do number sentences like this, or if you wanted to, you could also use the part-whole model as well. It doesn't have to just be number pairs. If you wanted to do 3 groups of numbers, that makes, we had 3 and 3 and 3. That's 3 numbers working together to make 9. Or challenge yourself and see if you can do even more than that. Have a see, how can we make 9? What different parts go together to make the number 9? And there's also a challenge for you to do as well. You've got to see if Wilma is, if her answer is correct that she's put on, that she said on the thing. So that's underneath my video. Don't have to do that, but that's there if you want to challenge yourself. Okay. And I'd love it if you could upload this work. I really look forward to seeing it and seeing what you come up with. And I love seeing all the adventurous ways that things that you use to help you with your maths. So well done, everybody, and I look forward to seeing your work. Bye.